Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you extract the audio from video in CapCut, especially for PC. Alright, it's super simple. So there are two options. For the first, you can go to audio and select extracted audios and just import your videos that you like to extract. For example, insert video and just click open, and here's the extract tab. All right, for this second option, super simple. Go to media, just import your video that you like to extract, and I already have the video here, so just add to the track and right click on the clip and then select extract audio. Here's the audio has been separated. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.